So we got to take the derivative of this. And what are we going to have to do? Well, we see we got a whole bunch of functions here. So we're going to have to do chain rules, what we're going to have to do. So let's look at what we have. So let's rewrite the cubed first, because it just makes it hard to see sometimes. Because we have the sine of 4t, all of that cubed. So I think this makes it easier to see that our big outside function is the cubed. So we don't need to think all the way to the middle first. We'll just start on the outside. The outside function is the cubed. So we're going to take the derivative of cubed, which is power rule. So we bring that to the front. And then I'll go ahead and be generous with the parentheses here, because too many parentheses never hurt nobody. So 3 times the sine of 4t, all of that squared, and then multiply by the derivative of sine of 4t. So then now see how that's another chain rule, because it's the sine of 4t. So that outside function is sine. So the derivative of sine is cosine. The inside stays the same. And now we multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 4t. The derivative of 4t is 4. So there we go. There's really no more cleaning up we can do. We can maybe just tidy up some parentheses stuff and just some notation. Really all just this squared thing. We should put that back and rewrite that as sine squared, because that is normally how that's done. So times sine squared of 4t. And there we go. That's it. Yeah. I want to be a little extra and rewrite this as the sine of 4t times the cosine of 4t times 6 sine of 4t. So see, that's the same. I just split up the sine squareds, and I split up the 2 and the 6, or just split up the 12 into 2 and 6. Because see, now what we have is this is 2 sine x cosine x. So that's the sine of 2x. So in this case, that's the sine of 8t. And then times 6 times the sine of 4t. That's legit, right? And that is the final answer. I bet the textbook leaves it like this. Let's see what the textbook does. Yeah, they just left it like that. They did not go crazy with it like I did, but I like my answer.